Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Hasis, and today's topic we have how to attach a database. So suppose I have installed a new database. I will start from beginning to connect. Like I need to connect, and then I can see this is new server, so I don't have any database, but I had some MDF file that I want to attach. Now for that, what you need to do, actually you need to right click on your database, go to attach option, go to add, and then select your database. I am selecting for now training MDF file. Okay, just click on OK. So you are getting a message, it usually come. Okay, so what you can do, doesn't have access, so that what you can do, right click, go to properties, go to security. Okay, click on advanced. Okay, click on the continue. Now you can go on add, then select the principal, and here you want to give access to like everyone. I think I made a mistake on spelling. Okay, now you can give this and then give full control. Okay, click OK and then apply and click OK. Okay, maybe you might be getting a screen like this also, because I don't have owner for this file. That's why it was showing like advanced and all, but it might be, so that you can click on edit and you can click on add, and here you can write everybody and you can give full control. Okay, now what you need to do is, you can again go to the same place. I am just starting from again, like click on the database, attach. Okay, click on add, select the file, click on OK. Now see, we are not getting any error, so that you can see this is the file you have, and that this is the log file and the data file, both are displaying. Click on OK. Okay, I think so there is some mistake. Let me check that. Okay, we can check this. No issues. Okay, okay, the same way what we have done for the MDF file, we have to do same thing for the log file also. Right click, go to property, click on the security, click on advanced, then continue, and then here you can add everybody, your system, everybody. Okay, everyone, like everybody, I'm saying everyone actually. Okay, then give the full control, click on OK. Okay, and apply, then click on OK. Okay, and this way I think your SQL server will determine that it is allowing me to attach your database. So click on attach and select your MDF file, and log file automatically it will select, no need to worry about. Click on OK and see, this is the database you can get, and here you can we can test this, no problem on that. See, select star from EBL_employee, what we have created in our others video. Okay, so that's how you can attach a database. So thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe.